Today I'm going to show you how to make a Cafe Aux Cognac. Now, Cafe Aux Cognac is basically a French term for cognac and coffee. So we're going to start off with our standalone coffee in a coffee mug, and we're going to add into that our main ingredient, which is going to be our fine cognac. Now, there's a variety of cognacs you can use. This is going to be a well cognac, Hardy's, VS, but you can also use a Hennessy, Remy Martin, anything that you happen to prefer. So we're going to do a 2 count of cognac into their glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, a 2 ounce pour, not a 2 count. It's an 8 count. And then from there, we're going to add in a little bit of sugar to sweeten our drink and mix with the bar spoon. Now, to lighten the consistency of it a little bit and add a little bit of flair, we're going to top the drink off with a layer of whipped cream. Garnish that with a cherry. And there you have it, Cafe Aux Cognac.